Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cam review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Jayaza 10-inch mirror dash cam. This mirror dash cam 10-inch IPS touchscreen display, easy to set the camera smoothly by your finger, intelligent voice control function, accuracy of command acceptance. This dash cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution, up to 2560 by 1440 pixel. The 170-degree adjustable front angle lens and 150-degree rear angle lens ensure to reduce blind area and capture more scene on the road. This dash cam 2.5D curved screen, the body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. The dashcam G sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, thus protecting your high-quality recordings. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. If DVR be shocked by any external forces, like a thief, while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Number 4. Axo 10-inch mirror dash cam. The Axo Car DVR 10-inch touchscreen display. This dash cam top quality video, up to Ultra HD 4K 1920 by 1080 pixel on front and rear camera. Display rear image of vehicle on screen in real time through camera. The dash cam front camera lenses with 170-degree large wide angle and it have 10-inch large screen, can have super view. Rear view camera lenses with 140-degree angle, good view for reversing. This dash cam provides 6 glass HD lens through the most too dark the screen of the active exposure adjustment, which is more detailed picture details the image clearer. This dash cam provide 2.5D curved glass design, scratch resistant, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint. This mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality, crystal clear and visible video in any situation day or night. This dash cam loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. Number 3. Azdo 11.8-inch mirror dash cam. The Azdo mirror dash cam uses an 11.8-inch IPS touchscreen display with 2.5D glass, full HD video resolution, up to 2340 by 1296 pixel front and rear camera with dual 160-degree wide angle. Either way is able to deliver super sharp videos. User-friendly UI interface is easy to operate with fast responsiveness. This mirror dash cam features premium dual Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality. The G sensors will automatically lock and store video in case of sudden impact and collision, providing video evidence of the accident. Loop recording will overwrite the earliest saved video when the remaining memory is insufficient, but will skip the emergency locked video. While your vehicle is off, the parking assistance function serves as a surveillance camera system. The camera automatically switches to the rear image when reversing, making parking a breeze. Number 2. OBPEAK H6 12-inch mirror dash cam. The OBPEAK 12-inch touchscreen display, real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. This dash cam provide front camera captures native 4K HD footage with stunning details than ever. License plates in distance that are unreadable in 1080 pixel or other resolutions are very crisp in 4K video. Full touchscreen dash cam with 170-degree adjustable front and rear camera can grasp the environment around you easily, reduce the blind area for safe driving, more visibility, and more security. The mirror dash cam uses strong light suppression and HD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. It also built-in GPS module, which help to record the real-time location, current driving track, and driving speed. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dashcam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Number 1. 70mm 9.35-inch mirror dashcam. The 70mm dashcam 9.35-inch IPS touchscreen display. It also shows the real-time and ultra-wide-angle rear views and captures 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution videos at 30 fps. The screen continuously streams rear view so that you can clearly see what's behind. This dashcam provides 140-degree wide-angle lens. It has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. It also IP67 waterproofing. 70mm backup cameras is the perfect replacement of the original wet side mirror in rainy days. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. The dashcam loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off.